really believe our slogan. I believe we're Henry Ford, we can, and I think it's important for us not just to receive a check from Henry Ford, but to also be giving back to the projects that are important.
I support the community giving campaign because I believe that the hand that's open to give is also open to receive. I like donating and helping other people, being part of the community, and it's a very easy way for me to get my donations in, help coworkers, help the community.
To see the patients that benefit from it, I can see the joy on their faces, the relief, and the thankfulness that they have, so that's really important to me.
Seeing firsthand how the economic hardships have impacted Michigan, Detroit in particular, and being fortunate to not only be employed, but to be employed by one of the best healthcare organizations in the United States. I feel that it's only right that I give back to the community.
It's at the very core of Henry Ford Health System. From the compassionate care we choose to give, to the ongoing involvement in the communities we operate in, and our dedicated employees are driving this spirit. Over the last 20 years, the employee contributions through our unique community giving campaign have raised millions for patients, community organizations, and other Henry Ford employees who are in need.
To find out that the combined giving of everybody in Henry Ford Health System is nearly $3 million a year, every little bit helps.
And giving is catching on. Henry Ford employees at every level of the system are finding more and more reasons to give back. What's your reason?
I give to neurological research in memory of my grandma.
I choose Henry Ford Hospice. I have one reason for choosing that, and that was my grandpa.
We chose to support interventional pain management because that's the area of interest for both of us.
The Neighbors Caring for Neighbors Clinic at Macomb is one that I really have and will continue to support.
I went into diabetes because of my mother. She passed away because of diabetes.
I support the Alzheimer's Research Fund because of the help that they gave our family.
More than 53% of employees currently choose to give. And last year, more than $2.8 million were donated by system physicians and employees. But there's more that can be done. Two of the largest areas your contributions assist are Helping Hands, a fund to aid Henry Ford employees, volunteers, and retirees in times of need.
8 years ago, I was pregnant with my youngest and had a high-risk pregnancy, and they put me off of work 3 months before my due date. And I had some complications, and they said, sorry, you can't qualify for your disability, so you have no income coming in. So it was a little difficult. 2 weeks before Christmas, I got a phone call from Community Giving Helping Hands saying that they were going to be paying our car payments and a utility bill that month. So it was a real blessing.
And Patient Medical Needs Fund, which helps underinsured patients who lack the financial resources to fulfill their medically prescribed treatment once they leave our hospital.
I support the Tom Growth Medical Needs Fund because as a hospital leader for 30 years, I have seen so many cases of where patients and their families have a crisis and can't respond in the normal way. Insurance doesn't cover everything that they need. Sometimes they can't get their own medications, the prescription filled, because they don't have the funds. They may not even have clothes to go home with. So our Medical Needs Fund serves so many different purposes.
What makes our community giving campaign so unique is you can see your contributions put into action. Here's how it works. Pledge a portion of your check to the community giving campaign. At that time, you can choose from more than 150 areas where your finances can help. Areas like scientific research, medical education, and the upgrading of our facilities. There are also many community partners that your funds can assist, like the United Way of Southeast Michigan and the Black United Fund.
I support the Black United Fund because of the opportunity I have to be able to give to that particular fund and provide tuition assistance through my funds to people who are out in the community that want to go to college but may not have the money or resources to do so.
I am so proud every year to be able to give to our community giving campaign, and I hope you will join me because I have found that it makes such a difference in the lives of people that we work with every day, people we touch, people we take care of. So please join me. It doesn't matter how much you give, any amount is important. Be a part of this wonderful campaign.